GED Math, why is a common denominator important? Have you ever tried to add to fractions and felt confused? You are not alone. Understanding why a common denominator is important can make a big difference in your math skills. Let's break it down together. Fractions representing parts of a whole, and the denominator is the bottom number that tells you how many equal parts the whole is divided into. When you have fractions with different denominators, like 1/3 and 1/4, the parts are not the same size. This is why you cannot simply add them together. To add or subtract fractions, you need to find a common denominator. This is a number that both denominators can divide into evenly. Often, you will look for the least common denominator, which is the smallest number that both denominators can share. Let's walk through the steps to find a common denominator. First, take a look at the denominators you have. For example, if you want to add 1/3 and 1/4, the denominators are 3 and 4. The least common denominator for these two numbers is 12. Next, you will convert each fraction to an equivalent fraction with this common denominator. To do this, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For 1/3, you multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 to get 4/12. For 1/4, you multiply by 3 to get 3/12. Now that both fractions have the same denominator, you can add or subtract the numerators. In this case, you add 4 plus 3 to get 7. Your final answer is 7/12. This process is essential for the general educational development mathematical reasoning test because many questions involve adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators. Knowing how to find a common denominator helps you solve these problems accurately and quickly. Additionally, mastering this skill lays the groundwork for more advanced math topics, including decimals and algebra. So, the next time you encounter fractions, remember that finding a common denominator is key to making sense of them. It allows you to combine fractions correctly, which is an important skill for passing the general educational development math section.